You didn't subscribe to this channel yet? So just go ahead and click on the red color subscribe button so that you will be get subscribed, and don't miss our upcoming videos from Creative Cache. So let's get started. So hello guys, welcome back to our Creative Cache. So today on this episode what we are going to see is this unboxing of my new Amazon Echo Dot, that means Alexa. So let's get this box to be unboxed. So I'm using my scissor as to cut that open. So let's see what inside we get. So inside we get the Echo Dot as well as the smart bulb, as I ordered with as a combo Wipro smart bulb. That is the thing. It has 16 million kinds of colors built in, as it uses RGB LEDs. Okay, here comes Amazon Alexa. Okay, let's this wrapper to be wrapped up. So sorry for the shakiness. Here is the box. So I just want to use again the scissor to cut that plastic tape. So that's it. Amazon Alexa Echo Dot is unboxed. Here comes the Alexa boom. Yes, this is Echo Dot. So here is Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. As you can see, this is very compact, and underneath we get Amazon Alexa's branding. Let us keep it aside and let us look what else we get inside. So here comes the Echo Dot user manual and that kind of warranty informations and blah blah blah. So let's get what else underneath we get in the box itself. So we get the adapter to power Alexa. Actually there is no inbuilt battery for the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. This is a power adapter which is going to power the Alexa. So whenever we want to activate Alexa, we have to plug in that and switch it on as so that we can get Alexa to live. So here is this RGB LED Wipro's company. So let's unbox that. I'm already unboxing it. So here is unboxing of my Wipro RGB LED light. So let's cut the tapes over there and opening up it. Here is the bulb itself. So let's keep it aside. The cardboards. So it was quite nice, well packaged one. And here is the bulb itself. And let's see what else we get inside. Here is the user manual as well as all kind of information how to pair it with the Alexa and smartphones to control. So let us keep it aside. Let's see what else we get. So that's it. So here is Amazon Alexa's unboxing is over. So let's jump on to connectivities. So boom to go. As you can see, here is the power cord, and I'm just going to plug this power cord to the socket. It is with the Amazon Alexa, and as you can see, there is another port that is used to extend the speaker by connecting aux cable with that. So as you know, that is very simple, just like your phone did it. So I have connected my power adapter to the plug so that Amazon gets boot up. That's Alexa. As you can see, the LED booms. Let's give us some time to get Alexa booted up. So let's wait for that. let's say Alexa to that. Okay, Alexa, here's the sound, you get it. Alexa,
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
okay guys, so here's the setup. You would just want to download the Amazon Alexa. Just click on it. Before actually, I just made a little clarification by setting it up. So I will get a clear setup in this right away. So what you have to do is just once you download the app, you will get it requires you to you to create an account for Amazon Alexa. If you have the already account, then it's not a mandatory. But if you don't have an account, then you have to just fill up the file, fill up the requirements that Alexa app demands. So once you fill up that, and you're good to go. So finishing the setup, make sure that you have connected to the mobile network, or which network are you which data network are you going to use. So what you have to do is just go to the settings. So here comes the settings, and just click on to this device settings. So it could out offline. So what you have to do is just do this offline. Okay, so what you have to do is just want to connect this with the Wi-Fi. That means we're about
You've
to connect.
connected. Now, go back to the Alexa app.
Okay, so go to the change, click on the change icon, so you'll get to setup page. So here is the setup page. So click on continue. Okay, don't see the orange lettering. There's a connected. I just want to connect this Amazon U9R. Okay, continue. Okay, I just want to use up my device as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Start. Okay, use this device as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, once I fill up this, I just come back. So once you just click on, it shows you preparing your Cadet. So once it finished up, it's finished. Your Cadet is
device is
online.
ready.
Okay, continue. Okay, that's it. The setup is. So this is as simple as that. So okay. So let's begin to say something to Alexa. Okay. Okay. Setup. Go to home. Okay. Let's begin up with the setup. Okay. So that's it. The setup is. So let's get to speak with Alexa. Hey Alexa. Hi. How are you?
I'm feeling super productive. I've set a gazillion timers, and now I'm brushing up on my Klingon.
Alexa, tell me about the weather.
Currently, in Tirunelveli it's 28 degrees Celsius with intermittent clouds. Tonight, you can expect clouds, with a low of 23 degrees.
So that's it, guys. This is a quite simple setup for Alexa. So in my next video, I will be continuing connecting extra more devices with this Alexa to get control with that. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.